Martha, thank you. Members of the community who help those addicted to drug and alcohol will be honored next week at Serenity Lane Awards Breakfast.
And KEZI 9 News reporter Emma Withrow joins us live in the studio to tell us about one of the deserving recipients. Emma?
That's right, Matt. Nicholas Krapser is the deputy director at Sponsors, which provides resources for those who have recently been released from prison. And he told me that the program they offer at Sponsors is life-changing for almost everyone.
A lot of folks that are coming out of prison are dealing with just adjustment issues coming back into society again. They've been locked away in a cage for 1 to 20 years, and there are things that they just don't realize that has happened with society since they were last incarcerated.
And that's where Nick comes in, guiding clients through every step of the adjustment process, whether it's struggling with addiction or things much simpler.
I remember one of the first days on the job here, there was a gentleman in the lobby and he had an iPhone in his hand and he was pushing on the face of the iPhone, and I said, "Can I help you with that?" He said, "The last time I was out of prison, these were hanging on a wall."
Nick says that he continues to work at Sponsors to be a part of the solution to a problem that he says is getting worse and worse.
The realization that the problem with incarceration in the United States is not going away. It's a problem that's getting worse and has been for a long time. And we incarcerate more people than any place on the planet. And it's a problem that's not getting better and needs to be addressed.
Nick's time working as the deputy director at Sponsors has led him to think big picture, not just for this community, but the country as a whole.
My dream would be that there's a Sponsors in every community in our state and the communities across the country, not necessarily a Sponsors, this exact model, but a model similar to this where communities are able to provide more services to people that are coming out of periods of incarceration.
Nick is being awarded the Community Leadership Award by Serenity Lane and was shocked when he heard the news.
This is the first time that I've gotten an award like this, and it's I'm very grateful and very humbled to be nominated and to get the award.
Serenity Lane says they are recognizing Nick for his efforts in growing mental health programs, mentoring staff, and building community partnerships to expand the care being offered to patients. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Emma Withrow, KEZI 9 News.